So today we are looking at this boxing bag that comes with these boxing gloves. You see that the base of it is weighted, so if I push this all the way down, it will come up eventually, but it's full of water. Now you can use this knob to adjust the height, so you set it, to a good height for you. We actually bought this set for our son, who's about my same height. I hate that. He's gonna pass me up soon. But the gloves fit for someone our size. I have kind of small hands. So if you're much bigger than me, I'm 6 feet. If you're a lot bigger than me, the gloves are going to be tight on you. But it's nice because it's got that spring and you can just hit the bag. And then of course, if you hit it hard, then it gets out of control. So you have to, this is more just for practicing. And I don't know how to box. Neither do my kids, but this has been a lot of fun just to hit around, and it gets us up moving. It does raise your heart rate, gets a little bit of oxygen to your head. It has been fun. We've had it for over a month now, and it has been a lot of fun just to play around with, so we're enjoying it.